Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global. Mobile was launched on 26 January 2022. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels at a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch, high, and an aspect ratio of 29. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. It comes with 6GB of RAM. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, runs Android 11 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, supports proprietary fast charging as far as the cameras are concerned. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 108-megapixel primary camera with an f1.9 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micron, an 8-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor with an f2.4 aperture. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, runs MIUI 13, is based on Android 11, and packs 64GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card, up to 1000GB. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, mobile that accepts Nano SIM and Nano SIM cards. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, measures 164.19 x 76.10 x 8.12mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 202.00 grams. It was launched in Atlantic Blue, Graphite Gray, and Polar White colors. Connectivity options on the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Global, include Wi-Fi 802.11ab GNAC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor.